Hello friends, Tanya here with a product close-up video featuring the beautiful Betta foil and die cut set. This lovely die cut and foiling set features a beautiful goldfish adorned with florals and bubble accents, and there is a shadow layer die cut that can be used to cut it out whether you foiled it or letterpressed it. Here is the beautiful goldfish or betta fish foiled with gold on some Spellbinders specialty cardstock, and here it is in aura. I just love the detailed image that this creates. It's so pretty. This was the very first foiling and coloring I did. I colored it with Copic markers and mounted it on a beautiful watercolor type background. Next up, we have a gorgeous card made by Cassie, and then we have one by Jeannie, and last up, Eilina. What a gorgeous shaker card. There are two shaker cards here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, take a moment to do that now. If you're interested in the product I used in this video, check that description box below. And until next time, bye-bye.